Hey, Sarah. How's your English course going?
Hi, Mark. It's been good so far. We're currently learning about time expressions. How about you?
That sounds interesting. Yeah, we just started covering time expressions too. Specifically, we're focusing on hours, minutes, and moments of the day. Do you remember any important ones?
Absolutely. Let's start with hours. We use expressions like at 9 o'clock, at noon, and at midnight to refer to specific times during the day. For example, I have a meeting at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Right, those are pretty straightforward. What about minutes?
Minutes are a bit more detailed. We can say at 10 minutes past, at a quarter past, or at half past to describe a specific minute within an hour. For instance, the train departs at 10 minutes past 3.
Ah, got it. So, a quarter past refers to 15 minutes past the hour and half past means 30 minutes past the hour, correct?
That's correct. And if we want to express minutes before the hour, we can use phrases like at 20 minutes to or at a quarter to. For example, the movie starts at 20 minutes to 7.
Great. Now, what do you mean by moments of the day?
Moments of the day refers to general periods of time, such as morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We often use phrases like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night to describe actions or events happening during those times. For instance, I like to go for a jog in the morning.
I see. So, these expressions help us be more precise when talking about time. It's essential to use them correctly, especially when making plans or scheduling appointments.
Absolutely. Using accurate time expressions ensures clear communication and avoids any misunderstandings. It's also useful when telling stories or describing past events.
Do you have any suggestions on how we can practice using these time expressions?
Absolutely, Mark. One great way to practice is by having conversations where we ask and answer questions about specific times or make plans using these expressions. For example, we could ask each other questions like, "What time do you usually wake up in the morning?" or "What do you like to do in the evening?"
That sounds like a fun and practical way to practice. We can also try describing our daily routines using the different time expressions we've learned. It will help us become more familiar with using them in context.
That's a great idea, Mark. Describing our routines will not only help us practice the time expressions, but it will also allow us to expand our vocabulary and improve our fluency.
Absolutely. It's all about incorporating these expressions into our everyday conversations. Another way we can practice is by writing short paragraphs or stories, using the time expressions to describe events and actions.
Writing exercises are a fantastic idea, Mark. It will help us solidify our understanding of the time expressions and give us an opportunity to be creative with our English language skills.
I'm glad we have these practice ideas, Sarah. It's important to reinforce what we learn in class and make it a part of our daily English practice.
Definitely, Mark. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. By incorporating these time expressions into our conversations and written exercises regularly, we'll soon become more confident and natural in using them.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. Let's make a plan to practice these time expressions together and help each other improve our English skills.
Sounds like a plan, Mark. Let's support each other and keep practicing until we master these time expressions. I'm sure we'll see great progress.
Absolutely, Sarah. Together, we can achieve our language learning goals. Thanks for being such a great study partner.
Thank you too, Mark. I'm grateful to have you as a study partner. Let's make the most of our English course and enjoy the journey of learning together.
Hey guys, subscribe the channel.